So the first item in my cart doing fireworks shopping is the Excalibur Platinum. You cannot have a 4th of July show without a 24 kit of Excalibur Platinum, and I think I'm gonna go for the Barely Legal as well, just because they're also super loud and I want to do some big bang. We're gonna match the Barely Legal with the Excalibur Platinum. I also want a zipper cake. Let me see if I can find the zipper cake that I want. I was also gonna get the Diablo shell and the Growler shell, but I think I have enough shells already. I don't want my show to be all about shells. I need some cakes to go along with it as well. So this is what my cart is looking like so far, guys. Alright, so I have a Barely Legal, a Excalibur Platinum, a heavy fuel, the X9 panoramic finale. I also have the Fortress of Fire and 2 zipper cakes, the Pandemonium 250 barrage, 205 shot barrage I should say. So now I'm gonna get get 2 more cakes from this section here. I think I'm gonna go with one of the Popo Magnet, and also let me see, and also the God of Fire. So I'm gonna take one of this here. And this, as you can see, is a 30 shot God of Fire. Goes in my cart. And then which one did I say again? Oh, the Popo Magnet. I'm gonna grab this one as well. Alright, so this is all the 200 gram cakes that I've got. Vapor Trails and Roman candles. I'll definitely do another stash update video. This is my other cart as well, so I did have 2 carts while shopping at Phantom Fireworks today. I'm gonna go check out now, and I'll see you guys soon. Checking out at Phantom Fireworks right now. Alright, so I'm just finished with my shopping at Phantom Fireworks, and look at all the stuff that I got. I'm about to load in the car right now because it seems like it's about to rain, and I'm gonna go home and do a stash video for you guys pretty soon.